Welcome to this presentation on how to write the Level 5 CIPD 5002 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write all 10 ACs in this video. Kindly subscribe us if you need more such important tips and information. 2.
To tackle AC 1.1, start by defining evidence-based practice, EBP, as the combination of critical thinking with the best available evidence to support HR decisions. Emphasize how EBP helps resolve people practice issues through factual insights. Reference how data, qualitative and quantitative, academic research, HR expertise, and stakeholder needs shape informed strategies. Offer examples such as using EBP for redesigning recruitment, reducing turnover, or addressing inclusion. Highlight that EBP is not just data-driven, it ensures ethical, transparent, and justifiable decisions that enhance organizational performance and employee trust. Use HR journals and CIPD publications to back your evaluation. Need help in this assignment? Visit our website or chat us on WhatsApp link given in comment sections. For AC 1.2, explain the purpose of your chosen analysis tool and method. For example, SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, can be used to examine internal capabilities and external risks in workforce planning. Alternatively, PESTLE explores macro-environmental factors like economy or legal changes. As a method, thematic analysis is useful for interpreting qualitative feedback, e.g., employee surveys, while correlation analysis can examine links between absence rates and job satisfaction scores. Use examples such as diagnosing training needs or identifying the cause of declining engagement. Emphasize how both approaches guide strategic HR actions and planning. For AC 1.3, focus on the foundational principles of critical thinking: clarity, accuracy, depth, relevance, logic, and fairness. Explain how these help HR professionals dissect information, assess alternative viewpoints, and form balanced judgments. Give examples. Evaluating a proposed policy change or a new reward scheme. Emphasize how critical thinking improves strategic alignment and reduces bias in decision-making. Apply the principles to assess your ideas and challenge assumptions in others' proposals. Incorporating these principles leads to more transparent and effective people practices. Mention tools like the RED model, recognize assumptions, evaluate arguments, draw conclusions, as useful frameworks. AC 1.4 requires understanding two decision-making processes. Rational decision-making is structured and data-driven, used when time allows full analysis, e.g., implementing a new HRIS. Intuitive decision-making is based on gut feeling or experience, often applied in fast-paced or people-sensitive scenarios, e.g., conflict resolution. Both have value, especially when used together. In complex HR problems, blending logical analysis with intuitive insight supports better outcomes. Show how decision processes lead to effective and ethical HR practices. Include models like Simon's normative model for rational decision-making or dual process theory to explain this balance. Use CIPD guidance for credibility. AC 1.5 covers how ethical perspectives shape decisions. Utilitarianism aims to maximize overall happiness, useful in policy affecting many people, e.g., pay structures. Deontology focuses on duties and principles, important when decisions must uphold individual rights, e.g., equality laws. HR professionals must navigate both. While utilitarianism supports broad benefit, it can overlook minority rights. Deontology ensures fairness, but can be rigid. Use case examples like redundancy planning or diversity initiatives to show application. CIPD's professional map and code of conduct reinforce ethics as central to HR practice. Evaluate how values guide outcomes. To address AC 2.1, calculate performance outcomes, e.g., % of employees rated as outstanding or underperforming for each department. Present these using appropriate visuals such as bar charts for comparison, pie charts for distribution, and column charts for trend tracking. Highlight patterns like consistently high performers or struggling departments. Use this insight to recommend managerial support, training, or incentives. Ensure clear interpretation of data in your speaker notes and relate results to HR strategy. Visual clarity helps stakeholders make sense of complex performance data and prioritize HR interventions. To answer AC 2.2, calculate the total bonus paid to employees with an outstanding rating. Use 4% of salary per quarter, sum per department, then find overall organizational bonus cost. Visualize the result using stacked bar charts, departmental distribution, donut charts, proportions, and line graphs, bonus trends across quarters. These visuals clarify where performance and cost align. Recommend whether bonuses are achieving their objective, e.g., performance improvement, and whether strategy changes are needed. Link to cost effectiveness and reward strategy. Ensure calculations are transparent and well labeled to support evidence-based decisions. For AC 2.3, study Table 2 to identify recurring themes in feedback about performance monitoring. Pay attention to differences between managers and employees, e.g., disagreement on fairness or clarity. Look for patterns like low satisfaction with review frequency or goal setting. Present findings using simple tables or themed summaries. Recommendations may include revising performance frameworks, offering manager training, or communicating criteria better. Clear analysis of qualitative data supports continuous improvement in people practices. Focus on actionable themes to show how survey feedback drives performance enhancement and builds trust in the review process. In AC 3.1, show how organizations assess success beyond profit. Financial metrics like ROI or turnover rates are commonly used to evaluate productivity or investment efficiency. For non-financial measures, consider employee engagement scores or training effectiveness. For example, a company may track return on investment in L&D, financial, and improvements in team morale post-training, non-financial. HR must align both types of data to support strategic goals. Emphasize how balancing financial and people metrics ensures long-term viability. Link to balanced scorecard or CIPD metrics for credibility and show integrated reporting benefits. To address AC 3.2, define how people practices contribute value, e.g., by boosting engagement, reducing turnover, or improving productivity. Link HR practices to business outcomes and values. For measurement, use key performance indicators, e.g., attrition rate after onboarding programs, and employee engagement surveys. Explain how findings influence decisions, like continuing a mentoring scheme that improves retention. Support your claims with examples and consider cost-benefit analysis. This shows HR's strategic role and helps justify people investments. Use terms like evidence-based HR or data-driven strategy to connect value creation with analytics and reporting frameworks.